Counter-attack for Letran. Nagmamadali sila. Mohe is on the move. Mohe.
Good block by Igliani.
That's a good secondary layer defense by Igliani. And Hobilia will take it strong.
So again, it's the transition baskets ng Mapua.
All 5 points of Mapua is from Chris Hobilia.
Mukhang sinagot na yung dasal ko na magkaroon ng breakout game si Chris Hobilia. Dahil, alam mo, itong batang to, Martin, is one of the magiging future face ng liga natin.
Especially kung marami pa siyang idadagdag sa laro niya.
Maraming madadagdag to kasi materialis, puertes to eh. Pero ito mukhang tinamaan, humihingi siya ng stop dito ah. Hindi ko alam kung natanggal, may nasira ba dun sa sapatos niya o may tumama sa kanya.
Pero hindi titigil yung laro natin. Cuenco drop off. Eto pupuntos ulit. Banks it home. 7 points for Chris Hobilia. Buti na lang hindi siya humingi ng timeout. 7-3 lead for the Mapua Cardinals. They're on a run here. Timeout on the floor. Hold on. 3 out of 5 from the previous game today.
Dalawa na ngayon.
Is 2 out of 3. So 5 out of 8. No.
Grabe naman yun.
5 out of 8.
Yun yung Hobilia.
Igliani. Hand off for Clint. Clint stops his dribble. 7 to shoot. Hobilia aatake. Chris Hobilia off the back. Plus the foul gives this guy 14 points.
I love it. Chris Hobilia getting a downhill drive and talagang advantage niya yan eh. Si Chris Hobilia small forward. And if you put him out, and then it's a foul.
Si Lawrence Mangubad kasi 5'10" yung kalaban niya. Chris Hobilia will take off. Ball goes back to Mapua. How about Chris Hobilia here? Siya yung nagbaba, siya yung nagtawid. Dire-diretso na para kay Hobilia.